Hello guys, my name is Matthew, and in today's video we are going to talk about RustDesk. We are going to talk what it actually is, we are going to download it, and also I'll sneak peek into it so you can exactly see what is it all about. So RustDesk is a free remote PC software created by RustDesk. This open source program helps you access and control your computers from any location. It serves both as a client and a server hands. There is no need to use any other third-party in apps or to use it. RustDesk is alternative popular remote desktop applications like TeamViewer or AnyDesk. It offers much of the same essential functionalities with the added bonus of being free to use and having cross-platform compatibility. It's available in installable file or as a portable program. Their web is rustdesk.com, so that's pretty what you probably expect it to be. And let's check on the pricing if we want to check it out. It's a free plan, obviously most of us going to use this one. Open source and free documentations, online status, unlimited devices, no limit of concurrent connections, and community support. With personal plan, you got 2 licensed users, 100 managed devices, web console, address book, audit log, many more. And $19.90 a month gets you business plan, which is still pretty cheap. And yeah, I strongly recommend you checking out your needs so you exactly know which one you do need. So let's get started with a free plan. And as you can see, just like that, we are able to start with our RustDesk experience. We just click on get started. It will get you to rustdesk.com/docs and self-host, and we can proceed to installation. Install your own server as system service using a simple to run install script. The script is hosted on Tekahult and supported on their Discord. So if you know, or if you're using Discord, you're one step closer. Windows, Synology, client-side settings, and many more options. Then we have a manual how to install it, but it's so easy to just download it. You will be scanned if you're on phones. Yeah, okay. So they are redirecting us to GitHub, and here we want to go with RustDesk on Windows, 64-bit. Block or dangerous? Okay. It's very interesting. So let's go to manual. Let's go to either mobile or self-host. Oh, okay, I see. You are supposed to use it also on your mobile phones. That's really nice. So Ubuntu or Android, Mac, check below. And those are all the logs that you can use with RustDesk. It's straight away, as you can see, we can just download the app and start to. Let's check the issues. Japan industry standards. Okay, so there's a lot of people not really happy. Let's go like this and just with the download and go with Windows and okay, just click on keep. And here we are. So this is the ID. It's pretty much, it really reminds or resembles an TeamViewer. If you ever had an experience with TeamViewer, let's just put it like that, put it like that, and this is what we are looking at. So ID and one-time password. You can also change it. So basically how it works, if you have any experience with TeamViewer, if you need to access a computer or different computer on different site, maybe, or different internet provider, you really need to just add this ID, or this is your ID. So the recipient on the opposite side is supposed to give you this ID and then the password. And then you can connect it or transfer a file directly to that PC. It's really easy. You don't have to worry too much about it. And due to UAC and RustDesk cannot work properly, as the remote site is set in some cases. To avoid UAC, please click the button below to install RustDesk to the system. So that's what we are going to click, and we have to wait for a while, and there is the installation of RustDesk, which will be accept and install. Certificate which can be trusted. The certificate will be used to trust install. Okay, and basically that's what it is. You are installing the RustDesk inside of the PC. Since we have to trust it, and straight away it's installed in the PC. It literally took me 2 or 3 steps, and we can work just like in TeamViewer. So no harm, no fault. There are obviously some issues with it, like they are warning you that you can or the internet connection is not that great. But don't worry, it's actually certified, and it's easy to use. It's very easy to use. As I said, just add your ID, or the recipient on the opposite side should just add your ID, and you are really good to go. So that's about it, guys. Thank you for watching. And for this particular task, I need someone on the opposite side or second PC, which I don't have at the moment. So just like that, it's very easy to operate in RustDesk. Thanks for watching it again, and see you in the next one. Have a great day, and goodbye.